welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top headlines. Rupees 53 lakh bond for AFMC PG medical admissions this year. For this academic year admissions, the Armed Forces Medical College has imposed the bond service rule of levying rupees 53 lakh if 5-year compulsory service is not provided by the MD, MS and DNB medicos after completing their courses. As per the norms, the doctors have to pay a bond amount of rupees 53 lakh if they fail to serve in the Short Service Commission of Armed Forces Medical Services for 5 years after their postgraduate course. National Board of Examinations on the hunt for Executive Director. NBEMS has invited applications from eligible and desirous candidates for the post of Executive Director on a deputation basis for 3 years, extendable by 2 years. The last day to apply is 31st January 2022. All the eligible officers of the medical services of the central government, state, defense services, railways, AIIMS, institutions, etc. are encouraged to apply for the said post. For more details, you can check medicaldialogues.in. Vaccination to start for 15 to 18 age group, but some call decision unscientific. The recent announcement by Prime Minister Narendra Modi that vaccination against COVID-19 for children in the 15 to 18 age group will start from January 3rd. A senior epidemiologist at All India Institute of Medical Science, Dr. Sanjay K. Rai, who is the principal investigator of Covaxin trials for adults and children at the institute on Sunday, termed the centre's move to vaccinate children against COVID unscientific and said it will not yield any additional benefit. Delhi police detains protesting doctors lodges Reuters case. Resident doctors of several hospitals staged a march near Delhi's Safdarjung Hospital on Monday evening in protest against the delay in holding NEET PG counselling. AIIMS Resident Doctors Association said in its official statement that they condemned the violent act of police today against the doctors who are protesting peacefully for expediting NEET PG counselling. By brutally thrashing and detaining the doctors, the government and police have reached a new low. The medical fraternity has shown exemplary sacrifice for the sake of this nation at a time when the COVID-19 pandemic was running a carnage. It read, AIIMS Resident Doctor Association labelled this day as a black day for the entire nation. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.